This is John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about fighting cancer with no insurance. So fighting cancer without any insurance can really be an uphill battle. Medical procedures, treatments, therapies, medications, doctor's visits can all be very expensive and can accumulate a large bill quite quickly for someone who has been diagnosed with cancer. If you do not have any health insurance, you will be taking on that bill almost entirely on yourself, unless you're able to qualify for government-based plans such as Medicare, Medicaid, or in California, Medi-Cal, which can provide you some assistance should you be in the unfortunate circumstance of having cancer. Now, for elderly individuals or people approaching retirement, it may be an important issue to consider obtaining at least cancer insurance if you're not able to afford health insurance. Cancer insurance will cover qualified expenses that can occur while you are diagnosed with cancer, specifically for that illness. Now, a reason I say elderly individuals should be looking into this is because as you age, the chances for obtaining or being diagnosed with cancer is very high. In fact, 77% of the people who were diagnosed with cancer were above the age of 55. So that is quite a large number as opposed to the general population. So if you have been diagnosed with cancer, it will be difficult for you to obtain health insurance coverage, especially immediately following. If your cancer has been treated and has been essentially cured, you may be able to obtain health insurance coverage after a certain period of time. Typically what your health insurance will have is they will have exclusionary periods of 6, 18, 12 months, which will exclude pre-existing conditions such as cancer or any other type of pre-existing condition that may have prevented you from getting health insurance. Like I mentioned, cancer-specific insurance can be obtained fairly affordably if you don't have anything at all. Now, if you have been diagnosed with cancer and you don't have any type of health insurance, there are resources that are available to you. I would look into the American Cancer Society, who may be able to provide you with some support, some help, talk to family members, and they may not be able to financially provide you with anything, but in terms of support for you and your family, they certainly will be able to provide you something in that sense. So this has been John Pinelli, financial representative, talking to you today about cancer care for individuals without health insurance.